Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Disunga from Mike and Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click po yan, Dr. Gigi Disunga. And we're still open for business consultation and live coaching online. Just message me 0939-554-311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Disunga. Alright, so what is that one business na sobrang apektuhan din ngayon? One private sector na sobrang affected during this crisis. And these are the private schools. I know very well, okay, kung anong nangyayari sa mga private school. Because I've been to private school, I know what's happening on the ground for 15 years. And I'm a school consultant, so I know kung anong pakiramdam ng mga school owners. So if you are a school owner right now, or department head, or you are working in a private school, please comment down below. You can write, I'm a business owner, I'm a school owner, I'm a department head, I'm in charge of this, I'm a teacher. So if you want to write your school, it's better, no problem with that, okay? So I just want to help lahat ng mga owner ng private schools, okay? So because I know your situation, I know what's running on your mind, because last night lang maraming gabi na nag-usap kami ng isang business owner, so how to save the school and how to earn revenue, okay? So, I'll be recommending 4 ways on how to increase your revenue and how to save money. So, there are 2 ways, okay? So, you have to take care of your money, what's left to you. Let's say you still have 300,000, 500,000, 1 million for small school. So, paano mo save yan? Because we don't know. Baka hindi natin alam kung August ka pa magkakaroon ng tuition fee. We don't know, or earlier better, di ba? Pero wala tayong income ngayon, so you need to save that money. And of course, kailangan din nating umisip ng paraan, okay? We have to be creative on how to earn revenue. So that will be our topic, okay? So first is the manpower. So what are you going to do with the manpower? Okay, this is a tough decision for school owner and department heads, but you still need to do it, okay? So you need to release some of your employees. Okay? So, I don't know the legalities of that. Well, meron tayong knowledge kung permanent yan. Kung hindi naman permanent, di ba may mga contractual tayo. Like, you have teachers na nakapag-submit na ng grades ngayong last term. So, maybe you can talk to them and end the contract. Right? Kasi wala nang estudyante, di ba? So, just pay what is due to them. Okay? So that their salary will no longer running ng summer pa, June pa, di ba? So, you have to cut some of your employees. Not only teachers, but other employees na, like, you know, wala sila sa operations, hindi naman sila pumapasok, you don't need them anymore, under contractual or under project base. So, basta you release some of your employees. And this is actually the strategy of Grant Cardone. Well, he doesn't own a school, he's into real estate. Pero sabi niya kanina, I have to release 25% of my employees. It's hard, it's tough. It's a tough decision, but he has to do that so that he can focus on employees na nandun pa. Because later on, we'll be using those employees na meron ka pa on how to earn revenue. Okay? So, the first suggestion to save money is, right, to release some of your employees. Nagbabawas talaga tayo ng empleyado. Okay? So, imagine if you will be releasing like 5 teachers, 7 employees times, let's say 10,000, that's 70,000. Kung 10,000 ang income niya, ang salary nila, di ba? It's not a bad decision. You know, medyo masakit nga, sabi ko, a tough decision, but you have to do that as a business owner or as a school owner. Di ba, mga CEO, meron kayo talaga mga tough decisions na ginagawa. And this one of them. And I'm sure employees will understand that. And pag okay na uli, normal na situation, you can hire them back. Pwede naman, di ba? Alright, so second, salary adjustment. So, I have 2 suggestions here. Like, for all your department heads. So, I'm sorry for this. I know this is not popular for department heads, you know, unit heads, coordinators, deans. So this is not a popular move, but you have to cut down at least 5% of some of the allowances. Allowance, like, or you can cut the allowance, I don't know, 50%. I think may mga allowance kasi yan eh. Like, sabi ko, I used to be in private school, so meron kaming transportation allowance, meron kaming, madami kaming allowance, okay? Madami talaga. So, what I'm trying to say is, you can talk to your department heads. That is, you know, you want to maintain them, you want to, you know, gusto pa rin sila makasama, so you need to help each other. Alright? So, cutting on their allowance. I don't know if 5% or is enough, or how many percentage? 20? I don't know. It's up to you as a school owner. Okay? Then also, for the remaining employees, let's say like, it's similar. Cut on salary. It's across the board. Across the board salary reduction. Like 5%. Okay? So, you just talk to them. Okay? Kausapin sila. I am sure they understand this. I'm sure they understand your situation. Okay, so naiintindihan nila yan. So sa lahat ng mga natira na kailangan mo sa kasi you still have to have the records, marketing, kailangan pa rin naman ng tao. Sa lahat ng mga school owners, it's not a zero employee ka ngayon, ha. So you need to maintain sa admin, sa HR mo, accounting, your marketing group, your principal doing the marketing and everything. So kailangan retain pa rin yan. Okay? So you can have a negotiation on salary like across the board. So lahat, di ba, 5% or 3%? I don't know how much. Okay? So it depends on you. Okay? Alright, next. These are the two ways on how to save. Okay? Saving your money as the money of the school. Now let's go to shift 2. Alright, so two things. Okay? So para these two things are your moves to increase revenue. Okay, so dito naman tayo sa pag-increase ng revenue. Nakita niyo po ba? Ayan, sana ginano ko kanina pa, no? Sorry po, ha? Okay, so how to increase your revenue? Okay, so number 1, you have to shift to e-marketing. Remember, you still need to market now. So, get hold of your clients. Dapat yung mga kliyente mo, mga estudyante mo, sa'yo pa rin sila. Okay? You keep posting some announcement. You create a GC, like, you know, per level, per course, per section. That's why you still need teachers and coordinators and principal, assistant principal to do this, to monitor. So, sa lahat naman ng mga principal po, so, you create one statement, kasi ito yung ginawa ko sa isang hawak kong school. Meron kaming isang, like, pinaayos ko yung social media, yung FB page ng school. Then, we keep posting announcement. So, there must be someone, I think that will be the principal or the marketing team, to construct one statement for all. I mean, who is managing that? Dapat meron kang isang social media manager. Okay, huwag ka na mag-hire. You can have the IT to edit some pictures, and you can have an English teacher who will caption your post every now and then. So at least once a day nagpo-post kayo. That's encouraging articles or words coming from you. And I suggest as a school owner, you make a 1 or 2 minutes video. Okay, 1 or 2 minutes video, so that, you know, it's a sign of concern to your students. Or if you can talk to your principal, you can talk to your coordinator per level, or you can talk to your dean per course, so that they will give one message, and you as a president. So every day, let's say Monday, message from the Dean of College of Education, message the following day, message from the Dean of Engineering. So it's a message that's sending to your students and to the parents. You are wishing them well, and your health is their number one concern. So you should tell them that they should take care of themselves, something like that. And the school is waiting for the right moment for them to, you know, look and come again. So something like that. Or you can say that we are preparing new program for you so that they can be excited. Or you can post related videos, related articles. So your social media should be active now. That's e-marketing, okay? It's not just like you're telling na, okay lang, mag-enroll na kayo agad. Diba? Magpa-reserve na kayo. It's not like that. Okay? So, it's about winning the emotion of your clients. That's social media strategy. Okay? It's giving information. It's inspiring them. Then, eventually, when they are inspired from your posts, they will enroll to you. Okay? So, you make your marketing very relevant. Yung mga precautionary measures, wag lalabas, what to do, hand washing, diba? So, something like that, okay? So, you shift to e-marketing. So, kailangan maalagaan mo yung existing students mo. If you have like, let's say 500 students now, 1,000, or as high as 10,000, so kailangan ma-retain pa rin yan sa'yo, okay? And next, you provide e-enrollment siguro. O, dito na yon, di ba? So, you can talk to your marketing team to create e-enrollment. So, electronic enrollment, like, you can have reservation, di ba? So, pwede na sila magpa-reserve with your program, like, this is now the time for you, to your IT team, MIS, and your marketing group, to create a way wherein they can pay tuition fee. Okay? So, kasi kailangan, di ba, magbayad sila, and for reservation. So, kailangan, kasama sa enrollment, e-payment. Okay? So, meron tayong e-payment rin na tawag. For example, you can activate now your, dapat meron kang GCash, PayMaya, or online banking. So, you can help them to create this tool so that they can pay their tuition fee and they can pay their reservation or enrollment fee. So, you have to be creative, talk to the people, to your assigned persons, they can pay their tuition fee. And their reservation, like 500, 1,000, reserve na sila to tell them to secure their slot. So, at least meron ka pa rin income and nabayaran yung tuition fee nila. Okay? Alright, so that's shifting to, okay? E-marketing and e-enrollment with e-payment. Okay, so lagay na natin. You set up that kung paano makapagbayad ang mga clients natin, okay? Now, let's proceed to the main, that is create revenue. Now, by the way, for the e-marketing, meron akong sinuggest doon sa hawak natin school. Sabi ko, you can like have a program. So, it's time for your marketing team or the deans to create marketing program, right? Like, for example, enroll now, you can, pay later. Or enroll, reserve now, or you can pay later. So, something like that. So, or have your name listed now, then you can just pay later or something like that. So, may mga programs like yung enroll now, pay later. I remember it from our school. So, ginawa namin yan. Or, mabigat kasi siya. Pag sinabi mong enroll now, pay later, pwedeng reserve now, pay later. Parang ganon. Parang hindi siya masyadong mabigat. Kasi ngayon, ay inisip muna nila makasurvive sa crisis, diba, what we are experiencing. So, pwede siguro reserve now. Okay? Or anything that you can create a program that they will feel that you are concerned to them. Okay? Alright, so next is creating revenue. Okay? So you can create like e-courses. Diba? So, lalo, diba yung mga, if you have an IT, so you can create e-courses like how to do video editing, how to create YouTube channel, how to copyright, how to edit, something like that. So, you can use now your employees. Yung mga natirang employees mo, department heads, you can, pwede naman kasi kayo mag-meeting may webinar naman, may Zoom, you can use the Zoom or other app na pwede natin gamitin, di ba? So, you can create e-course on how to do skills. Yung itinuturo nyo rin sa classroom, ilalagay lang natin sa e-course. Okay? That's how much are you going to earn with that? Now, with my e-course, one of my e-courses, I'm selling it for 3,500. Doon naka-promo tayo ngayon, meron tayong 2 e-course plus 1 e-book. So, that's 4,000. So, imagine it's like you can sell 4,000 10 e-courses in a week. So, in a week, you learn this money, di ba? Ito kasi nabibili. Ma-market natin yan. So, you can consult me. Dok, paano magagawin mga yan? So, since I'm a school consultant, so you can message me, okay? Alright, so, and next is you can, aside from e-courses, you can create e-book. Like, I have e-book, 33 Ways to Succeed in Life. So, e-book like for students, pwedeng how to become a successful student, di ba? How to set up study habits as a student, di ba? It's actually one of the topics na naka-line up sa atin para sa mga estudyante. Okay? Or para din sa mga teachers. So, yung si principal mo, pag-isipin mo ng outline, di ba? On the e-book, then gawin ng English teacher mo, Kung may IT ka, ipa-layout. Diba? Alam niyo, nagawa yung e-course ko for only 1 week. Yung ebook ko, kasi compilation of plugs yan, inaayos nila ngayon mga 5 days. So, madali lang kung meron kayong manpower sa mga schools, okay? So, ang mga topics nyo related sa school study habits, improving study habits, so, how to teaching strategies, madami kayong pwedeng gawin, okay? And you can also apply for CPD. I suggested this sa isang school na hawak ko. Sabi ko, mag-apply sa CHED on, you will be a CPD accredited. That means you are conducting seminars na, di ba sa mga, bago tayo makapag-renew ng license, you have CPD units, right? So, pwede natin gawin yan. So, you can apply sa online, tapos online din ang application ng documents. Baka pwede ngayon, then, if approved na, so pwede nyo i-announce. So, many teachers will come to you or professionals, online seminars on CPD units. Marami kayong pwedeng gawin, okay? And is this one. You can conduct webinar on leadership. Like, di ba, you have school leaders, so pwede kayo mag-conduct ng leadership management, di ba? It's a webinar. So, let's say if the people will pay you 1,000. So, kung once a week maka-10 kayo, that's 10,000. So, not bad, di ba? So, depende yan sa line mo and depende sa mga tao na naiwan sa'yo. Mga department heads mo, mga teachers. Okay? So, and more. So, just try to be creative on how to earn during this crisis. Sa lahat ng mga private schools, you can do something. Mga business owners, di ba? Sabi nga sa movie, Money Heist, do not just sit down, you run. Okay? Don't just sit down there, you run. Do something. If you don't know how to start, I can be your school consultant. Message ka lang sa akin, okay? Alright, so please share this video sa may biyan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umulan natin buhay. Thank you very much, Universe. Enjoy the rest of the day, yan. Let's go, let's go.